Alright, let's leave this.
What?
So we can do the thing where we spawn.
I thought you were with me already. I'm like loading into
No,
one.
I'm still in the game. What the heck?
I thought you left it.
No,
I
I
thought you
thought
did what I
once you
told you
leave
to
it.
do.
Shut up. Strange really reminds me of what's that game called? That Roblox game.
Phantom Forces.
Yeah, Phantom Forces.
I heard the new Navy SEALs are actually training them through a sim in Phantom Forces.
In Phantom Forces.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Oh. Too easy.
We went upstairs. Ah! Good? Are we good? Oh!
I can kill you.
Yeah.
Oh, Shiza. Oh.
Ah, shit.
Oh, shite.
We gotta hold this down!
Oh.
Liz. They're smoking us out! I can't see! I can't breathe! Where are you? I'm lost! Do you have a gas mask? I don't think. Oh shit!
You little bastard.
Your shotgun sounds mean. It's like.
I love it.
Sounds like a snake if it could bark. DG Dirty Dawn. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Crouch. Crouch if you can hear me. Crouch if you can hear me. Dirty Dawn. Crouch if you can hear me. Dirty Dawn. Please. I need to know if I'm embarrassing myself. Dirty Dawn.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, that's a fucking teammate.
I just started shooting because everyone else was shooting.
Checking. I'm wrapping around with you.
Fucking hell, mate. That's awesome.
It's like really hard to
gun.
control the kick too with these guns.
Yeah.
It's like real. Kill him! Dang, you just.
There's no Cali sticks. This game is a -10 for me. Damn, we're losing bad too.
These butts are kicking around. I think it's over. Yeah, it's over. Nuh-uh. It says my weapon of choice was the AK.
Dude.
My kill to death ratio was 001.
Wait, I can hear myself, but like. Wait a minute. What's going on?
I don't know. You're scary.
What is going on? Do you hear that?
I don't hear an echo. I don't hear anything.
It's like a playback of us, but we're going slow-mo. We're like, yeah, my weapon of choice. Dude, it's still going. It was going like, ew. Like how you just went, ew. What the fuck?
Dude, my farts have been reeking ass all day.
Right, thank you for telling me that, dude.
Just
after this game, we play against real people.
Okay, we're doing real people after this. Is it still doing it?
No, it was just like something was going on with the game chat and then with you.
Imagine it was one of those other players like doxing us. we both get a letter in the mail. Get off the fucking game chat.
I like how you jumped to the most schizo thing first.
Yeah, it's like paranoid schizophrenia. Now it's just like, I'm not trying to,
I think you just got the sussy baka syndrome.
Yeah.
You're such a little sussy little baka. Where the bot's at? Oh!
That's not real. Ow! Shit! Oh! Okay.
Some dude's just attacking you.
Yeah, I think he's mad. Our last door sucks. Are you mad? They're probably hearing me in the game chat, and like they don't realize the simple solution is to just like hit select and go to the mute, and like absolutely nothing changes with the gameplay. I can't fix it. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, they're starting to want to kick you. Oh, they're
No!
gonna kick you.
I can't fix it.
What the heck?
I can't fix it.
Ignore our
I don't
teammates.
know how to fix it. They're
Oh,
just
still
killing.
fucking.
Yeah, they're just still killing me.
What? Did they kill you?
Yeah, I died. It.
Was it this guy?
Being a bunch of a-holes. They can't stand it when people are different than them.
Was it this guy?
It's okay. I'll show them.
Fucking bitch. What? Why'd I die?
Kicked from server. I'm gonna just always do rifle, man. My little brain can't handle anything else.
Oh shit.
You tell me to
I
jump.
hear.
I'll say how high.
I see. I mean, so the people can hear you, dude.
They can?
Yeah.
I can't hear
okay.
them. No, because they're gonna want to vote kick me again. Everybody, it's grilled cheese 6. Mute me right now. I'm telling you right now, mute. I don't know how to fix the game chat audio. Mute me right now. I'm sorry. Okay.
You probably sound like a schizophrenic right now. Tell Buckmaster that we can't hear you, but he can hear. You know what I mean.
Buckmaster, we can't hear you. I can't hear what you're saying. I know you guys can hear me. I can't hear you, and I don't know what's wrong. Oh, I heard him growl. Wait, I heard you growl. Buckmaster, can you hear me? Buckmaster, come in. I have him muted. I'm dumb.
Wait, babe. I think because we're in a lobby, won't actually.
Got him.
Shot me? You just shoot me?
No,
Oh, you just died! No! Are you gonna respawn?
No, I'm dead. Sorry, I was on my phone. I was contacting H. Okay.
Okay, cool.
It's an easy win when my team won't stop team killing. I guess I got all the losers from the last 2 games, so they're salty because they couldn't kill me last game.
These guys are so toxic.
I like putting the tracer rounds on.
Why?
Because it's cool.
Good point. The fuck?
Did you hear a
Hey,
why don't you shut the fuck up?
Whoa!
Hold up, someone's calling me.
My ultimate is
They're
charged.
beefing.
They're very nice. They smell really good too.
Are they like cowboy boots or like hiking boots or like what?
Here, I'll send you a picture.
I don't want a picture of your feet, bro. I'm good. I'm just kidding.
I'll put my dick in for scale. I don't even think my mom's seen him. I'm gonna go take him to her and then I'll.
You should
I'll
like
just
wear
take
them and like clomp through the house like a horse. Like, hey.
Get out my whip.
Why would you get a whip out? Sometimes, man, if a war was to happen, we're not special. We're grunts. We're gonna die grunts.
Yep.
I say how high. We need Major Payne to lead our nation.
Sorry, I'm untying my shoes so I can put it back on.
When you are soldier.
Been a year, Daddy. Ow.
My cousin Quandale.
Zandali von Kringlesnad.
Oh, oh shit!
I can't wait to go back home and see my mom.
Jarvis. Don't shit my pants. Wow. Ah! Behind you guys. I don't know what direction that's in.
There's a big compass! Fuck! I'm gonna rock the FAL.
You reckon?
FAL rifleman.
Brother. Me too, brother.
Stop!
I'm just
I'm not
kidding.
gonna play with you anymore if you keep doing that.
Jerk.
It's still a little freaky, but it's one of those things where it's like, fuck it, we ball.
I'll be scared.
Oh!
Oh!
Don't look through any one of those windows. What did I just say? Like, duck, get away from the windows! Watch
Move to A.
Watch the other.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh, he threw a grenade! Oh, grenade!
I can't see!
You're going to bagel.
Shit, they're like coming down that way, dude.
I can't see. I literally can't see. I still can't see. I still can't see. How long does this fucking last?
You still can't see?
I still couldn't see. I can see now.
Okay. If
There's
I
a bulb up.
remember correctly, it was one of my English teachers that showed us a clip of The Office. And it was like the staying alive scene when they're like, staying, like the heartbeat, like the CPR thing.
Mm-hmm.
It was that, like, she showed us that, and I thought it was the most funniest thing. And that's what made me want to watch The Office.
I still remember that from that show, and that actually helped me like remember about CPR, like to the rhythm of that song. Why am I not responding?
I feel like if I was to do CPR, I would just be like, sorry, Buck, you're dying.
Yeah, you.
I
have
ain't
to break
doing
their
all
legs,
that.
apparently. Like when you do.
Oh, Insargent, cheers and strong.